Hi, I'm Kev Johnson, Technical Marketing Architect here at Rubrik. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about a growing form of cyber attack, hypervisor-based ransomware. According to Rubrik Zero Labs report The Hard Truths, in 2022, 73% of all encryption events affected virtualization infrastructure. Virtualization, and as such the use of hypervisors, is a key component of IT infrastructure for businesses of all sizes, and so it represents an attractive target for bad actors. These attacks can be particularly nasty, as there's typically no ability to install EDR or antivirus software at the hypervisor level, and if you're running VMs, you're probably monitoring your infrastructure using tools that run in a VM. If the VMs running your monitoring stack are encrypted, chances are the first you find out about it is when you get to the office on Monday morning and everything is down. Even worse, if your data protection tooling relies on virtual machines and these are encrypted, you may find it nigh on impossible to recover your business. Thankfully, Rubrik can help. So, how does it work? I'll tell you what, let's take a look. From the Rubrik Security Cloud global dashboard, we can see that anomaly detection is highlighting some things that we should investigate. That's right, if you're an existing Rubrik customer with anomaly detection, there's nothing more to enable or configure. As you can see, we have a few things going on in this environment, including some file system based anomalies in both vSphere VMs and an Azure VM. Both of these look to be lockbit based, but we're really interested in these ones here. These have been flagged as suspected hypervisor-based anomalies. From this screen, we can see the point at which Rubrik Security Cloud detected this anomaly. And down here, we know from the previous screen that there are 5 VMs in total in this environment that are flagged as anomalous, and all 5 are running on this ESXi host. Given this, we probably want to pull this host from production and rebuild it. It should be considered to be compromised at this point. If this were a single VM, we might want to trigger a recovery from here. But as we know that we have multiple affected machines, we probably want to recover them all at once. Thankfully, this is super simple. Simply select the impacted VMs, then click Recover. Rubrik Security Cloud automatically suggests the most recent clean recovery point. We can, of course, select any recovery point that we have stored, but in most cases, you're going to want to recover back to the most recent clean backup. If we wanted to do some further investigation, we could leverage Rubrik Threat Hunting to go hunting for IOCs, or even Cyber Recovery Simulation to stand up the snapshots in an isolated recovery environment for further forensics, but that's a story for another day. As you can see, we have 2 recovery options here. Depending on the use case, either of these might make the most sense. If we believed that our entire environment was compromised and we'd built a new clean vSphere environment, we'd probably use export to create brand new VMs in this new environment. Alternatively, we can use live mount to restore service as quickly as possible. I'm going to run with this as I recently deployed a new cluster for our test dev, and after some checks, I'm happy that this has not been compromised. With live mount, each VM sees an NFS data store presented from the Rubrik cluster. The VMs are back up and running super quickly, and so the business services that are dependent on these VMs are available almost immediately. And we can use storage vMotion to migrate them back to production grade storage at a time we see fit. And with this, we're done. In this video, I've spoken about the challenges of hypervisor-based ransomware attacks, both from the perspective of detection and of recovery. I've shown you how Rubrik Anomaly Detection solves for this without requiring any extra configuration or licensing over regular anomaly detection by detecting the encryption at the point of backup and enabling recovery at scale. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you want to learn more information about anything discussed in this video, check out the description below for more resources. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you click the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we put new videos out so you don't miss a beat on any data security updates we have for you. See you next time.